Hello, my name is Lorraine Hughes. I'm the winemaker at Stellenzicht Wines. Stellenzicht Wines is situated on the foothills of the Helderberg Mountain just outside of Stellenbosch. And today I'm very excited because we're going to be cooking the Vegan Moussaka, which pairs really well with our Tristone Cabernet from Stellenzicht. Perfectly with our Tristone Cabernet from Stellenzicht. I think this lovely kind of richness from the tomato, that béchamel sauce with that nutritional yeast that's going to give it beautiful cheesiness. It's just going to pair beautifully with this lovely kind of fruit and subtle tannins from this Cabernet. This is really, as the weather gets cold, this is going to be that perfect autumn dish. So I'm hungry, thank you for joining me, and cheers!